This is the plaintiff, Cheryl Taylor. She says the defendant, her friend of 3 years, took her Juicy Couture necklace and bracelet to get dipped in gold. And when she got it back, it wasn't her necklace. She doesn't know what kind of shenanigans the defendant's trying to pull, but there's no way she's going to allow her to get away with stealing her valuable necklace. She's suing for $226, the amount she's owed. This is the defendant, Diane Smallwood. She says the plaintiff's accusing her of switching necklaces, but she did not. She has no idea where all this is coming from. Tried to do the plaintiff a favor and can't believe she's actually here in court over this. She's accused of being Dippy.
All parties, please raise your right hand. Come forward, please. Litigants have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Cheryl Taylor?
Yes.
You are suing your former good friend, Diane Smallwood, for $226. 180 of it, the amount that you say she owes you for stealing or trying to pull a switcheroo on your Juicy Couture necklace, and $45 for money that you gave her to dip the necklace, because according to you, she came back with a different one. Tell me what's going on.
It's an honor meeting you, Judge Marilyn Millian. I'm here suing Diane Smallwood for switching the chain on me. June 12th, she came into this place where we go to group at, and she had.
Where you go to what?
We go to group at this place. It's confidential.
Okay.
So we were in there. She came in with the Juicy chain on, and my fiance bought me the chains like 3 years back. So she came with the chain. I said, well, you know I have those Juicy Couture chains. I said, would you please go and, it would be okay with you go and get them dipped. She told me she would do that.
But why did you ask her to do that? She had just done hers?
She had got hers done.
Okay, and you liked how it looked?
Right.
And what was it you had done? You had dipped it in what?
My home attendant takes my jewelry and dip it for me.
And dips it in what?
I don't know what they dip it in, ma'am. I give it to the jewelry store and they dip it for me.
A jewelry store dips it in something
it's gold.
and it just
it's supposed
looks
to be
prettier.
In gold. It's supposed to be in
But it's a Juicy Couture. It wasn't gold to begin with.
Exactly, but that's what they dip it. I brought mine so I can show you.
Okay.
That's all I can do.
So go on.
Anyway, Judge Your Honor, she supposedly had took them to get a dip. I told her I didn't have the money to. I said, maybe when I get home Wednesday, I would have it. When I got home Wednesday, the money was in the mailbox. I called, I told her that I had the money. I was going to bring her the Juicy Couture chains over to where we were residing at. When I got there, I gave her the money, the $45, plus the Juicy Couture chains. She told me that she was going to bring them back Friday. So when I came Friday, she gave me this chain right here. Right? This is, and I went back to the store. Here you go, sir.
Okay.
This is a bracelet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And this is my bracelet with the chain, but I had another chain. This is the chain that I had on my neck. And that's when me and her was in it together.
Okay, so you gave her 2 pieces?
Yes.
To dip?
Right, 4.
4 pieces to dip?
Right.
Were these dipped?
She said there was, but I don't even know if it was.
No, these weren't dipped.
No.
Well, I don't know. I mean, these look pretty spent. These 2 weren't dipped, right?
Ma'am, they were all dipped.
Did they all look like this?
Can I show you mine?
Yeah.
Here you go, sir. I went back to the store and he gave me the paper that I paid for my Juicy Couture chains in 2010.
That you paid for? I thought you said your fiance gave it to you.
He bought me one. That's the one that she kept.
These are mine.
And she switched. That's the same one she got right there.
Please don't mix them because mine is broke.
No, don't.
Mine is broke. I tried to explain that to her, that mine is broke.
I don't understand. They're the same necklace.
Thank
come
you.
on up here. You can stay right there.
I will.
No, you come.
You come on up here.
Okay. Just step over to this. Beautiful. Thank you.
You're saying that's not yours, right?
No.
This is hers.
Mm-hmm.
How are these 2 different? What am I missing?
Because I had another Juicy Couture chain. Mine was solid rock. See, these got holes in it. That also have holes in it. That one was mine. I had another Juicy Couture chain, and it was solid rock. It was like solid rock, both of them.
What does solid rock mean?
It was like a hard heart. You know, the heart.
Solid metal?
Right, it was metal.
With no holes?
No, and it had no holes in it.
Okay. So you're saying she has other ones and she just brought these and
This is the one she had on her neck, Judge, Your Honor.
Yeah.
And when she brought me back, she brought it to the classroom. Me and my teacher was in the classroom, and so was my fiance. And she threw it on the desk. And when I opened it up, that one was mine. But the other
Do you
one
have
was
the original purchase? Is this the original purchase?
That's the receipt when I went back to the store and the man gave me that for the chain that.
It just says chain and charm. That doesn't help me. And you have a picture of you wearing it? Is that what this is?
Right, that's the picture. With the one that she kept.
Yeah, I mean, this looks like this one because it has all the stones, like it's this one. Do you have a picture of the one you think she kept that's like apparently some third one? Because this is a picture of this one and it's right here.
That picture's home.
Right? That has that has all the diamonds on it or the rhinestones or whatever they have. Right? And that's this one.
I have my glasses on.
Can you get her glasses? Yeah. Yes, put her fiance to good use. You got a ring on that finger? Or just a bunch of juicy couture stuff?
No.
He doesn't have a ring on your finger? He ain't your fiance.
Damn.
You make him put a ring on your finger. All right.
Anyway. No. This juicy couture chain, it's something like this. And it has juicy up here, couture down here, and around here has diamonds around it.
Okay.
That's how that chain is.
Hold on.
Now look at it real close.
I am looking at it real close. And you know what it is? It's this chain. Watch. Look through the circle one, which is the most intense. It's all the diamonds and it's juicy couture, not one on top of the other. It's all in one flag. See it? Right? Okay. But you see it, right? Say yes.
Okay, well, I see it.
Okay, well, say yes if you mean
Yes.
it. Right, you see that it's this one. So, all right, go ahead and go back.
We'll keep these.
Yeah,
I'll
let
bring
me
it
keep
back.
these here.
I'll take
We'll
it.
give it to you. What's going on?
I don't know what's going on, to be honest. I don't know what problem Cheryl has with me. I think the biggest problem was that I took her chain to dip it for her. Once she told me that it didn't look like it was dipped, I sent my home attendant back because mine is dipped several times. This is the first time I ever took hers to get dipped. So of course yours is not gonna look like mine. So I told her, I said, Cheryl, I'm showing you that this is mine. It's broken. I'm showing her that it's broke. She didn't want to hear that. All juicy coutures are soldered together. But when mine broke, I took it back to the store and he said it's not real, so he can't solder it. He said, so what he'll do is he'll put a ring around it. So that's how I know that that's not yours, and I tried to explain that to her.
How many juicy couture necklaces do you have?
I have two. I have a silver one. I don't have gold. I have a silver one and one gold one.
Okay.
I brought it with me, ma'am, so you can see.
That's all right.
I got this from my daughter.
I got
that's
it.
sitting here.
Okay.
I have two.
Okay.
I have this one has diamonds in it too. So it couldn't have been me taking nothing from her. Okay. I brought both of mine with me.
And then when she got these, did she complain these don't look like these, or?
To be honest,
She just accused you of pulling a switcheroo.
I switched on her, so I didn't understand. Like I was like, well, you do what you got to do because I know I didn't do anything wrong.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Harvey 11 here. Does it work to dip like juicy couture stuff in gold? Will it actually, a necklace or whatnot, will it work?
I think you have a basic metal underneath it, but then you have an element of gold on top of it. But that's not a complete, if you're looking to buy a gold necklace, I think it should be gold throughout.
Well, this is more than I bargained for. What do you think?
Definitely not gonna work.
Not gonna work.
No.
Why? It'll chip off what? Think about it.
Eventually fade, maybe.
It'll fade. Okay, and we'll go to a guy.
Yeah, no, I think it'll work.
Because?
Well, liquid gold, it'll dry on top of it and you'll have something that looks gold.
Fair enough. Going inside the courtroom.
I made a mistake because I bought in the wrong picture. I will admit to that. Now, as far as me fibbing about the change, I'm not fibbing about it. I know I gave her two juicy couture chains, and she did not bring me the exact juicy couture chain back. That's why when I went over to the salon, to the jewelry shop, the man gave me the receipt, the evidence that I brought the chain.
The man gave you whatever you asked him for, you know.
From
Wait, it's a
2010.
fiance. Come on up.
Speak.
You're the guy who bought it. Come on up.
What you bought?
Wait. Do not pressure him.
right.
Okay, first of all.
All right, I'm sorry.
Do you even remember like the distinctions between one heart and another heart and everything else, or not really?
Well, I know from looking at the chain that I bought her from that time when she said she bought it. I noticed that there were diamonds in the chain, you know, on the heart part. And now when she showed me the chain saying that it was switched, I noticed when she showed me that the one that looked like it's dipped, it had no diamonds in it. So I see the difference because I know
diamonds in it like this one.
Yeah.
Okay, is this the one you gave her?
That's what it looked like.
They all look alike, all these juicy things.
No, it looked like this is the one you showed me, right?
Right. The one that you gave me was solid. It was a solid heart.
I'm not gonna get you. Never mind. I'm sorry. I've asked you to get up. Now you're gonna be in hot water and. Yeah, just she'll get over it when you put a ring on it. Go ahead and sit down. All right. Who's the dipper? Okay, can you come on up a second? How come these don't look dipped? Or are they?
Can I see?
Yeah. They look like the kind of thing that needs dipping if one is so inclined.
I'm not the dipper. I went to bring it to the store.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm asking.
With the man. It was 2 sets. Is this one? And the other one without
and this
the
one
diamonds.
Okay.
Exactly.
And then, so what you're saying is that she wore that one
a couple of times, it fades.
Okay. And how long ago did you dip them?
Was that July?
Like that's all it lasts? What's the point?
It's only cost $20.
So why'd you charge her $45?
She gave me 2 sets.
Right.
And hers and Sandy's, remember, it's 2 tickets.
Are you wearing yours? Do you wear yours?
Yes, I do. I just had that dip though, so I could bring it to show you it was dipped.
Oh, you just had it.
I have the receipts. I gave her the receipts. One was just
they
dipped.
give different receipts for when you give them the ticket. Anyway, so we gave it to her. It was $45, and I gave it to the man in the box. He gave it back the same way I gave it to him after it got dipped.
Can I say something?
No, hold on.
The card,
did it look like this when it came out, or no? It looked better.
No, it was. It was better than that.
Okay. Based on what I've heard, Miss Taylor, I just don't think that you have proven that there has been some kind of switch of these. I would have to see the actual receipt that somehow described it, that showed it differently, or a picture of you wearing the other one. But you're just, I feel that she switched it. And here's the proof, Judge. And when I look, that's not the proof. And the two of them are like, what? We gave her back what she gave us. I cannot, based on this evidence, rule in your favor. I rule in favor of the defendant. Good luck, folks. Make sure that everybody.
The plaintiff just not able to prove that there was a switcheroo made there. So what's your reaction coming out here the whole way now?
Well, my reaction is that God sees everything. She's a con artist, she's a thief, and she sowed what she reaped. So I'm gonna leave it in God's hand.
Listen, before you go, any chance at all, just like maybe a little chance, maybe you made a mistake?
No, I didn't make mistakes, so I know what I gave her. Not even a mistake. I know what I gave her.
All right. Well, he's not in trouble, is he?
No, he's not.
All right. Okay, good. See that? All right, head right down this way. And the judge rules in your favor, so come on in here and tell me, turn around this way, just tell me what's going through your mind here coming out on the...
I'm very happy. I'm satisfied. Like I said, I would never do nothing like that to her anyway. But I'm just glad it's over, Mm-hmm. She was a good friend for 3 years, and now, friendship to me is something that you cherish. And she just threw it out the window for something that was only $59. But I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
What do you got, Harvey?
By the way, just a tip. If you take expensive jewelry, especially expensive jewelry, to a jewelry store for repair or whatnot, take a picture of that stuff before you hand it over. Because there are a lot of people, a lot of customers who make these allegations that they pulled a switch on me, but if you don't have the picture, you don't have the proof. That will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.